Srinivasan, Professor Emeritus of the Dr. MGR Medical University. My mentors, Professor Arjun Das and Professor Vel Murugendran, thought it is necessary that we should have a Dementia Society of India in this part of country, because what we have, such a group of elders, the age group has risen from 39 years in 1947 to 69 years. Shortly, we may be having the dementia capital of the world also, because the population is rising. You noticed that above the age of 85, 1 in 2 will develop this dementia. Above the age of 70, 1 in 4, and above the age of 60, 1 in 5, and before that is 1 in 5,000 people. There is a necessity. The vision and the mission of our society is to take it forward to the care of the elderly, which is absolute importance in this country. And we are the first country in the world to have a population going to 1 crore, as it been suggested, which is sometimes more than the population of one of the European countries. So every one of us should strive forward, and to cope up with this particular problem of dementia, the communication module by the press, the TV, the All India Radio, and as well as the newspapers, in addition to the pharmaceutical people, they should give us the communication module so that we are able to have the compliance of the drugs. Either we cure or control the disorders of this particular dementia. In the world, dementia, Alzheimer's disease is very common, whereas in the developing country like India, the vascular dementia is more common. And this vascular dementia, I always call it as A to I. A is alcohol and as well as age. B is blood pressure. C is coronary artery disease and cigarette smoking. D is diabetes, and E is elevated sugar, cholesterol, etc. A to E must be careful and it be studied, and they should be taking care of this. If they do A to E, then F, they are fit for anything. So elderly people must be told how to live in this world without getting dementia. You have to prevent the stroke occurring in them. You have to prevent the degenerative disorders by using it. If you don't use your brain, you lose your brain. So you have to use all the 5 special senses so that they can have a very meaningful correlation in the society. The nuclear families are going to trigger the problem, whereas instead of the nuclear families, if going to be a joint family system, it is going to be very good.
I am Dr. Lakshmi Narasimha. I am Professor of Neurology, Institute of Neurology, Madras Medical College. And this Dementia Society of India is formed with a vision to make the people with dementia to live with dignity, live with honor, live with respect. We know all of us will age at one point of time, and dementia is on the increase because the aging population is on the increase. So our elderly people are right now form about 37% of the population, and the estimates say that every 7 seconds one patient is diagnosed to have dementia. To enhance, make the people live, I think every elderly person deserves to live with dignity and honor. And the mission of this society is to make a collective effort to increase the quality of living of the patients with dementia.
Sir, what's the